Hello guys. Welcome to WAHEED 1 TV channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Midjourney AI for free. You will able to generate unlimited pictures from it and use these pictures in your YouTube videos, Insta Reels, etc. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, I want you to do me a favor. Crash YouTube's server by subscribing my YouTube channel. Ha 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 ha. So first of all, open a new window in your web browser and type TOOLX and hit enter. Now click the first link and boom, you will see a bunch of whole tools, from AI tools to image manipulation tools. There are a lot of tools and all are free and you can use for lifetime. But let's jump to the Midjourney AI. Now, enter your desired prompt. Select the model and ratio and click on Generate. And in a while you will get results. Oh my god, what an amazing portrait. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you didn't before. Have a great day.